Student planning allows you to plan what courses you want to take for upcoming terms. There are two ways to plan courses: using the degree requirements defined on My Progress or searching directly in the course catalog. This tutorial explains the process for using the degree requirements defined on the My Progress page. To start the planning process, first log in and navigate to the Student Planning homepage. From the homepage, select My Progress from the drop-down, or select View Your Progress from the View Your Progress tile. Go to My Progress. From the My Progress page, scroll to the Requirements section to view the specific core classes, electives, and general education requirements required for your program of study. A summary of each program requirement is displayed along with the number of courses you have already completed within that requirement. Below the summary, a detailed view displays the courses that meet the requirement. When desired, select the Show Details or Hide Details option to expand or hide the detailed display on each requirement. Review the specific requirement for each detail section. In some cases, all courses listed are required, but in others, only one of the displayed courses needs to be completed to satisfy the requirement. Any course that is not yet started displays in red. Planned courses display in yellow. Previously completed courses display in green. When the detailed view is expanded, you can select the course name listed next to a red Not Started course to review that course and potentially add it to your schedule for an upcoming term. After clicking the course name, detailed information from the course catalog will be displayed in the main section of the page, including any prerequisite or co-requisite required for the course and a brief description. On the left-hand side of the page are filter options, allowing you to filter the displayed content by location, day of week, instructor, etc. Once data is filtered as you would like, then you have two choices to plan for the class. The first option is to select the Add Course to Plan button to add the course to a future term. This option does not select a specific time or location for your class and instead adds it to your plan as a placeholder. The action does not register you for the class. When specific locations and times are set for the course, you will need to select the specific section you would like to attend and then register for the section when registration is open. The second option is to view available sections. This option only allows you to plan for the next upcoming term. Locations and times will be listed for each section. Once you have determined which section has the best location and time for your schedule, select the Add Section to Schedule button. This option adds the section to your plan as a placeholder. This action does not register you for the class. When the registration window opens for the next upcoming term, you will still need to register for the section and any other sections placed on your plan. If a course requires a lab to be taken at the same time as the course, this information will be listed in the Requisite field when adding such a course to your plan. The lab portion will not be added automatically. Instead, you're required to add both the course and the lab to your plan in two separate steps. If you have added a course that requires a lab to your plan and did not add the lab, a warning message will display during registration, and registration will not be completed successfully. Both elements, the course and the lab, must be added to your schedule prior to registration.